Welcome! In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through setting up your LinkedIn Business Manager from scratch, step by step. Let's get started by creating your Business Manager account. Go ahead and click the Create Business Manager button. You'll need to provide your official business name here. This is how your organization will be identified in Business Manager. For the email address, make sure to use a business email that your team can access for important communications from LinkedIn. Once you've filled in those details, go ahead and hit the Create button to proceed. LinkedIn will send you a verification email. Check your inbox, find that email, and click the Accept Invitation link inside. You'll be prompted to review the terms. Click Agree and Confirm to accept and move forward. Perfect! Now click Open Business Manager to access your newly created account. Head over to the Accounts tab in the navigation. Then select Pages from the menu options. To link a LinkedIn page to your Business Manager, click the Add Page button. In the dialog that appears, select the Add Page option to continue. Use the search field to find the LinkedIn page you want to add, then click on it when it appears in the results. Before you can add the page, you'll need to agree to the terms by checking this checkbox. With the terms accepted, click the Add button to link this page to your Business Manager. Now let's add an ad account. Navigate back to Accounts, and this time select Add Accounts. Click the Add Accounts button to start connecting an advertising account. You'll want to choose Claim Ownership to establish your organization as the owner of an existing ad account. Enter either the account name or ID in the field provided, complete the verification process, and then click Add. Great! Your ad account has been successfully added. Click Got It to close this confirmation. The last step is setting up partners. Click on the Partners tab to access that section. Type in the Business Manager ID of the partner you want to add, then click Add Partner to complete the connection. And that's all there is to it. Your LinkedIn Business Manager is now fully set up and ready to use.